So I'm going to start off by folding the fabric in half, leaving about a 1-inch gap at the top. Now you can be like super professional about it and take like measurements, but you know, I just eyeballed it. Start hot gluing the edges together. I honestly prefer the tape over the glue just because the tape is neater and I feel like the seams come out so much nicer, but I ran out of tape. So for the first pillow, I used a pillow insert, but if you don't have one or you want a cheap alternative, you can use stuffing. Here I'm just fluffing and zhuzhing it out before inserting it into the pillowcase so that it gives the pillow a little more volume. After I'm done with that, I'm just going to close the pillowcase up. This part is optional and you don't have to glue down the sides, but to have more of like a taut grip on the seam, I glued down the corners. After that, you're going to fold the bottom section and then apply hot glue and attach the bottom piece to the top. If you have excess fabric or if you want the case to be more fitting to the pillow, then you can always cut the fabric to length and continue with the same steps. After you're done with that, just check on any areas for any gaps, or if there's any areas that need touching up, just go over it with the glue or tape. I did most of that off camera because if not, then this video would be like 30 years long. And this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed. This project is super fun and super easy and also very affordable. All the products are going to be in the description down below. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.